Hello, welcome to day 2, Tuesday, November 24th. Here's what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you will click Async. Today, you have one activity to do in Async for Mel, the Unit 3 test. So you will do that. That's it for Async. Let's go to Sync. So Sync is very different for today. We will have class at 6:30. We will take the CASAS test. As I explained yesterday, be sure to do the test on your laptop. If you do not have access to a laptop, then you send me a text. You need to be in an area that is completely quiet. If you are unable to find a place that is completely quiet, send me a text also. And make sure you do everything you need to do before the test. So you will log into Zoom at 6:30 tomorrow. Not tomorrow, you will log into 6:30 this afternoon, and I will send a remind message with all of the directions. Good luck.